Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, you're going to be looking at Kdenlive, which is a free open source video editor. And I'm going to show you how to do a simple zoom. So what I've done here, I've imported a photo to Kdenlive and we'll drag that to our timeline. We'll make it a bit bigger. Now what I want to do, I want to zoom in on, say, the pier here. Now how do we go about doing that? Well, if you go to the beginning of the clip, we go to effects and we drag transform effect down to the timeline. If you don't see it, just type in transform and you can drag it across to the timeline. Now what we can do with this is we can do a thing called a keyframe. So if we move it from here, say to, we'll do it to there, and we're going to click this button here, it's going to say add a keyframe. Let's move it across to the next one, to the next two. Going to add ourselves a keyframe. At this point, we can then use the size there and we'll zoom in. We'll zoom in to say that one, that length will do. And now when we play our clip, that will, it should zoom in onto the pier there. Check that out. Look at that. We're zooming in on a pier on a photograph using Kdenlive. Now when you get to the end there, it will stop. Now to make the effect a bit faster, just drag this to here. We play it again. Now if you want to zoom out, we'll go to next one, and we're going to add a keyframe, and we'll go back to say 100% or as close as I can get it. 102 will do. So now when we play it, it'll do a nice fast zoom in, it'll stop, and then it'll zoom back out again. But say you wanted to zoom in at the end of a video and zoom and fade to black. Let me just remove the clip. We'll add the clip again. Add our effect, which is the transform effect. And we'll keyframe it to say from there. So we're going to add a keyframe. Now we go to the end of the clip almost. Just there, and we'll give it a keyframe and we'll zoom in on the clip just like we've done before. So let it play. That's now going to zoom in on the clip, and if you want to make it zoom fade to black, all we do is click on, let's make that a bit longer, click on the keyframe there and then drag it down to the bottom there. So now when that plays, it'll zoom in, and it should, there we go, have a nice fade out, and it should fade to black. Again, you can adjust the keyframe to as and when you want it to make it faster or slower. So I can end it there. There we go, and that was a quick tutorial on how to do a very simple zoom in Kdenlive and zoom out to black. If you found the video some use and up to do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the other one seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays, and I'll see you in the next video. 7-3 for now.